Guys, it's Francis. In my review for the Beauty Big Bang Rain Plate, I was wearing this design and a couple of you asked me if I would do a video showing how I created this design. So if you like how it looks and you want to see how I did it, keep watching. So I am starting out with Jennifer's Nude, and this is a L'Oreal polish that's suffering a little from ugly bottle syndrome. And I am wearing 2 coats of this, and that's my base. And then I'm coming in with the Sally Hansen Insta Dry and Cocoa A Go Go, this white CADS stamping polish CO1, this Hit the Bottle polish with the greatest name, Slime After Slime, and this Nicole Diary Baby Blue polish. And I'm going to be using the Manisha M Clear Jelly Stamper collaboration. And this is just a collection of different sizes and shapes of mandalas. And I am going to be quiet, put on some music, let you see how I did some of these nails, and I'll be back with you at the end to let you know my final thoughts. See you soon. So this is my final look, and I really do love the way that it turned out. I got a lot of compliments on this one, and I wore it for quite a while. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I even got a gouge in that middle finger, and from a distance you couldn't even tell. But thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.